Artificial intelligence versus the human mind, a battle of speed, intelligence, and creativity. AI is learning faster than ever, but can it truly outsmart us? In this video, we'll explore 6 epic showdowns: medical diagnosis, problem solving, creativity, comedy, memory, and lie detection. By the end, you'll know whether humans are still in control, or if AI has already won. Number 1. AI versus human doctor. Doctors spend years mastering their craft, but AI can scan X-rays and medical data in seconds. AI never gets tired, never forgets, but it also lacks empathy. Would you prefer a machine telling you the harsh truth, or a doctor who truly understands you? Number 2. Problem solving. AI runs calculations at lightning speed, crunching data we can't imagine. But humans solve problems differently, with intuition, creativity, and imagination. Sometimes the fastest answer isn't the smartest answer. Number 3. Creativity. AI can paint, write, and compose music instantly. But human creativity carries flaws, emotions, and meaning, the things machines can't fake. The question is creativity about speed, or about soul? Number 4. Comedy test. AI can generate thousands of jokes in seconds, but comedy is more than words. Humans add timing, personality, and presence. Sometimes AI is surprisingly funny, but humor without humanity feels empty. Number 5. Memory and recognition. AI can recognize your face in a crowd of millions. Humans. We forget people we met last week. But AI only knows the face, not the story behind it. Humans remember meaning. Machines remember data. Number 6. Lie detection. AI can scan micro-expressions, heartbeats, even tone of voice, and catch lies with scary accuracy. Humans rely on instinct and empathy, but we're often wrong. Would you trust an AI judge deciding who's lying in court? The final verdict. So who wins? AI is faster, sharper, and tireless. Humans are emotional, ethical, and imaginative. The truth is, it's not AI versus human. It's AI and human, together. AI will never replace us, but humans who use AI will replace those who don't. So, who would you bet on? The machine that never sleeps, or the mind that created the machine? Drop your answer in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more epic AI versus human battles. Thank you.